Hi everyone. After COVID-19 pandemic, healthcare ecosystem changed a lot. The way we used to access and analyze that information, it's dramatically changed over a period of like last 2 years. But the most important point is from now on, what will be the future of our healthcare system in India and all across the world? Since we are also one of the emerging health tech startup company, and what I believe there is a lot of work that we can do to improve the quality of treatment, improve the patient experience with the treatment and the information channel, like the to educate the patient more about this healthcare ecosystem. Basically, this healthcare information technology is the one of the future to improve the quality of healthcare ecosystem, not only in India but all across the world also. For example, that we have launched our patient first program, that is one of our program that we have developed for an individual to educating and aware that individual or any patients about the healthcare like diseases information, the way it's needed to be diagnosed and the possible different ways of solution. To be more precisely, making the people self-aware and motivated toward the healthcare, that is our main goal. Well, with this platform, I feel the patient can learn more about the potential healthcare concern, especially the risk factor and what they can do to deal with such issues in a more effective way. I hope you will join our iactech.com, that is one of our social networking of healthcare, to improve the quality of healthcare information system, and you can access and share the healthcare information or any kind of research information that you wanted to share and connect with the people from all across the world. Well, the most important thing, if you like this information and our initiative, please do share with your family and friends and subscribe our YouTube channel. And meanwhile, just take care, stay healthy, stay happy.